Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to restore backup in WhatsApp from Google Drive. Alright, let's begin. So, in order to recover your WhatsApp data, you have to follow these steps. First, open WhatsApp and go to the Chats page. Tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Inside Settings, tap on Chats. Then scroll down and choose Chat Backup. Here you can see when your last backup was made. Keep in mind that by restoring this backup, you'll lose any messages or data received on WhatsApp after that backup date. To begin the restore process, first delete WhatsApp from your phone. Find the app, press and hold on it, then tap Uninstall and confirm your decision. Next, open the Play Store and download WhatsApp again. Once installed, open it and go through the setup process. During setup, you'll get a pop-up asking if you want to restore your chats from Google Drive. You'll see the available backup details. Simply tap Restore, and your previous chats and media will be recovered successfully. And that's it. So that's basically how you can restore backup in WhatsApp from Google Drive. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.